So now I come out to Pictory.ai, and all I do is on the left side it says script to video. I just take the script that ChatGPT wrote me and I throw it under that one, and I let it create the video, the audio, the music, the graphics, the images, all that stuff for me. If I don't like it, I go back in and I change them out, or I can change the scripting. But it's done that for me. If I have that article, remember I told you that 500-word article, I can throw that under the article to video. Absolutely appreciate you guys being here today. We're going to have a phenomenal training session. I know it's only 15 minutes, but we're going to get through a lot of stuff today. If you look in your chat box, look in the chat box, you're going to see that I have 2 links out there. One for a tool called Pictory.ai and another for a tool called BeHuman.ai. And these are tools that we're going to go over today. This is your 15-minute lunch and learn for February 7th, 2023, and it's on how to create a digital marketing funnel using AI tools. I know everyone is like all up in arms about the AI tools, right? Some people love it, some people hate it. It doesn't matter. They're here and they're not going anywhere. So I'm going to show you what we're doing over at the Williams Family Investment Group, what we're doing with an Inspire Nation Business Mentoring, and what we're doing with the Inspire a Nation Insurance Agency to create marketing resources and marketing tools using these AI resources that are now available. So I've got a lot of training, short time. Let's go ahead and get started. Remember, the purpose of a digital funnel or digital communication is to communicate something, to put out great content, and then to have call to actions that drive people to our products and services. So the first thing I want you to do, I'm going to walk you through 5 or 6 different steps. The first step is to locate a tool called Ubersuggest, Ubersuggest, Ubersuggest. So I'm going to come out to back out to the internet here. And I've already pulled up a lot of this because I knew I didn't have much time. So I'm going to go into Ubersuggest. And I did a search for car insurance in Denver. The first thing we have to do is identify our keywords. What is it that people are looking for? What do they want in services and products? So I looked up car insurance Denver. I got back 590 searches. People are paying $43.19. See where it says cost per click? People are paying $43.19 just to have people click on that link. So obviously that's something I want to use for free. Now, I know what is being searched. I see 590, but I want some variations of that because I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in my ChatGPT or put it in my ChatSonic, one of my tools, and I'm going to have them create some content for me. So I'm going to go out to another tool that's called Answer the Public. Answer the Public. That's the second tool that I'm going out to. And on that tool, it allows me to not only see what I put in, but also variations of what people are asking. And it has a dark dot, a medium dot, and a light dot. And the dark dots mean that it's actually a really popular question. So I'm going to go out here and go, let's look at some of these popular questions. I've got, can car insurance cover dents? I've got Denver car insurance. And then I've got something that captured my attention. Why is car insurance so expensive in Denver? I like that question. It's a great question if I'm an insurance agent, if I'm an insurance agency, and I want to really talk about that, or I want to write a blog post. So I'm going to take that question. Why is car insurance so expensive in Denver? So first tool I used was Ubersuggest to see what people were looking for. And then I came over to Answer the Public to see how popular that was and to come up with a variation of that question. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to go out to my ChatGPT, or I'm going to go out to ChatSonic, which is the Google version of ChatGPT.